Pouring footings on a steep slope presents a lot of challenges. One of the future potential problems would be erosion. So I didn't want to disrupt the soil on this 45-degree slope. So I needed to pour these footings to shore up a walkway that goes from a garage bonus area to a landing alongside the house, which is essentially in a gully or bowl. We are going to shore that up. That thing bounces like a trampoline. I'm cutting 48-inch long sections that I'm going to run in between two 10-foot long stringers to allow me to carry and work on this slope. It essentially looks like steps, but I'm going to tear this out after the project. Made a little progress to pour the footings to put the post on that walkway to get the bounce out. It almost looks like steps. There's the last bag of concrete going in this box. Come back tomorrow or Monday.